All right, you guys, here's where we hopefully make it easy. We are going to be dealing with quadratic equations. This is the parent function. This function right here is y equals x squared. All right, I'm going to write everything out. Y equals, and I'm going to do it as a quadratic, a times the quantity of 1 over b x minus h squared plus k. All right, so I'm going to write that there so we can point some stuff out, and I'm going to show you how you use them. The negative in there means that although this looks like a -2, your h is actually 2. Your k, not so counterintuitive, is 4. And I'm going to underline those because they tell us where the vertex is, and I'm going to deal with those first. And it looks like this guy has an a of -3. And since the b is not there, I'm going to write a b of 1 just so I can show you it in the graph. All right? So watch how my vertex moved from 0, 0 to 2. Ooh, I should put a -4 on this k, and I didn't. -4. All right? So look, this movement here has to do with your h. That was 2 to the right. This movement here has to do with your k. That's 4 down, and there we have our vertex. From the vertex, and this makes things really easy, from the point you know to the next point you see, the move to the right or left is b, and the move down is a. There's your -3a. We can also see that it's facing upside down because a is negative, so it has been reflected. All right. I'm going to do a couple more just like that. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to do at least this one up here. So here I am. I'm up here. I see this is a b, which is 2. I'm going to start right there. That b is 2. Remember, that's inside the function. I'm going to go ahead and write my a as 1, just so I can use that and show you the stretch values. There's been no reflection. I'm going to write h and k over here. Remember, h is a little counterintuitive, so h is actually -5 and k is 2. All right? So this -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is my h. I'm going to write it right there. That 2 is my k. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to write my k. That is my new vertex. From my vertex, I haven't reflected. My move to the left or right is a. My move up is my b. So my first point is 1 left or right and 2 up. And I'm going to kind of make a symmetrical graph on the other side. That graph looks like that. I'm going to lay this out for you. I'm going to say what they are. So, and then I'm going to leave you to try and graph the rest of this. I'm going to start in here. So that gives me an h, again, the opposite of what you'd think of 3. Means 3 to the right. My k equals 1. I'm going to underline that. That gives you your vertex. All right. My a is not listed, so it's 1. My b is a little different. My b is a negative. You're actually not going to see that negative come to play in any aspect of this because it's a quadratic equation. All right. So, but I am going to say that it is a horizontal shrink. I'll write it as it is. It would be this. That's not actually what b is. B is actually 1/4, right? That's not the, that's where it would be in the equation, but b is 1/4. So I'm going to underline what it is. All right. So I'm going to stop this right here. I'm going to let this video go as is. I'm going to make another really short video on one of the word problems. I'm going to leave you to finish these up and discuss with your partners, your table groups, on, I believe, Tuesday, and we're done with this video. Thanks.